Hello, welcome to the medical device training for the oxygen flow meter, specifically the models twin diamond O2 0 to 15 litre and single diamond O2 0 to 15 litre low flow meters. The aim of this training is to ensure that all users can operate this device safely and competently. By the end, users will be able to demonstrate an understanding of the setup of oxygen flow meter, demonstrate how to apply to a patient, and demonstrate how to check and troubleshoot. Firstly, there are two different types of flow meters. The one that you will commonly see is white, and it is standard O2 flow meter, 0 to 15 litres. There is also a pale pink flow meter, and that is known as a low flow meter, and that's a 0 to 2.5 litres, only commonly seen on pediatrics. So initially there are some pre-operational and daily checks. The service date, ensure that it has one, and an MESU sticker. Ensure the flow meter is off and the ball indicator is at 0. Turn the flow on to 5 litres, ensuring indicator ball rises. Check the white connector at the base of the flow meter is correctly fitted and isn't cross-threaded or damaged, and ensure all connections are tight and leak-free. Do not use oils, greases, or any combustible materials on or near the flow meter. Do not smoke in an area where oxygen is being administered, and do not autoclave. Now, to connect the green O2 tubing, now it's not specifically green, the tips used to be green. You may find that it is clear now. Connect the O2 tubing over the tubing nipple outlet and adjust the flow meter to the requisite flow. Ensure all connections are tight and leak free, ensuring that the ball is cut through by the line directly through the middle at the prescribed rate. For administering oxygen other than an emergency situation, ensure that it has been prescribed on the patient's drug chart. It can now be found on EPMA. The gate ball does not drop to 0, or there's any error or failure of the device. Remove the device from use after ensuring that the patient is safe and unharmed. Quarantine the device along with any associated consumables. Complete a clinical engineering decontamination form detailing any error codes of the messages. If the device is involved in an incident, ensure that the DATEX number is recorded on the decontamination form, and ideally return the device to clinical engineering as it was set up and used. If this is not possible, then take an image of the setup and ensure that it is uploaded to the DATEX incident form. Clean or decontaminate the device. Clean it following NUH policy and or the manufacturer's guidelines and instructions using green Clinell wipes. Ensure all obvious signs of dirt and contamination are removed, and again, do not autoclave. To store the device safely, ensure that the device is stored in a clean and dry environment. Always ensure that the flow meter is in the off position prior to removing the flow meter from the gas supply. Do not over tighten the control knob when turning off. This will cause damage to the flow meter and may lead to inconsistencies in flow rate settings. So that concludes the theory part to your training for the flow meter. Now, if you find your local medical device trainer for a practical exam.